we are actually creating the thumbnail of this very video in Canva, the free version. The first step towards making a thumbnail is niche research. Our niche is AMV, but for this video, I am going to make a thumbnail on AMV tutorial style. Now we will go through the best channels of out niche that are doing really good. So let's go through this channel. Vasa9 has about 35,000 subscribers and about 400 videos. His videos get pretty good views. Most of his videos contain the same style, a blurry editing background, his favorite anime character on the side, and a pretty simple glowing title for the video. So let's try and make a better one like this in Canva. First, get an editing background. You may just screenshot from one of your projects or find from Google. I personally found this AI-generated one that looks really good. I'll just use this for the tutorial. Now we go ahead and make it blurry, don't worry. Many features are free in Canva. Now we will go to filters to make the background more suited to our thumbnail's color theme. The theme is blue and white. The poster filter matches it perfectly. We make some slight adjustments to see if it can be better. You can text these out yourself. Next, we add the character PNG. For background removal, I used Photoshop as it gives me best result. You can try getting one from internet or someone you know. I used Kakashi Hatake. He perfectly matches the theme of the thumbnail. You should place the character on the right, as in this type of thumbnail, you should want the audience to read the title first. And people read from left to right, match the size according to design principles, or just as I did. Now as you can see, the PNG looks bound in the square area, not really fitting in. We will go back to Photoshop to fix that. Watch as I did using the eraser. Now it looks much better than before. Replace it with last one. Now make adjustments to make it better. Make sure to find matching pongs and overlays for the thumbnail. This thumbnail is on Canva, so I find a Canva logo to use. Now again, make adjustments. Now go to Edit, scroll down and find Shadow. This is something many don't know. You can add shadow to add depth to the thumbnail or add glow to its edges. We add purple glow as a complementary color. I will also add glow to my character to make it cooler. Next, we start adding the texts for our thumbnail. Follow my text placements. Color of glows and size differences I create closely. You may struggle now, but will catch on eventually. These things make the thumbnail look way better than you think. I use different effects here and there. I add text on text to increase glow and visibility. You can use this trick as well. Next, I'm adding a Photoshop pane. I use that while making the thumbnail so I am using it. The goal is to show what softwares you used. I will rotate and position the logo in the back of Canva logo. You might have seen this done on many thumbnails. Next, add edge glow. It'll go with its lighter color. Now I will show you a nice trick to make this pop. I will take the letter that is visible, make the samp letter and make it glow. This makes it look so much better. Position it correctly and you are good to go. Now next step is to add those flashy things that left you wondering this might have been done. Fear not, just search for flare or optic flare and elements. Pick the free one and you are all set. I used it here to make the headband pop and the shine the metal. Experiment with different ones for different purposes. I also add a character I custom made in the background of my thumbnail just for fun and a bit more detailing. I will do some text adjustments to really make it look good. Next, to reduce the white glow and make it more readable. It'll make a double outline text. Next again, glow enhancement with this technique. Now to add on to the thumbnail, search for overlays that match the theme. For this one, I will go with Kakashi's signature blue lightning. Download the ones you loved and set them up with compositing. Now make the final adjustments and you are done. Thanks for watching, guys. The file and resources will be linked in the description for you to follow along. See you next time. Peace.